Alright, what's up guys? Yamaha demo day again, and this year it's the 2019s that we get to ride. So finally they're letting us go on the main track for demos, but we only get 2 laps, but that's fine. Get 4 bikes. So I actually don't even have my bike out here because it's at Woods getting the cam chain put back on because I messed that up. So I just came out here for demos, but I am actually looking at new bikes this time around, not just riding. But yeah, so this is the 2019 YZ250 2-stroke. So I haven't even warmed up yet, so this is kind of my warm-up bike, but I'll still be able to. Feels like it's been forever since I've ridden. This thing is so nice. The power comes on so smoothly. The suspension feels great too. I really wish it was 3 laps. The suspension feels a lot better this time around. Yeah, suspension feels a lot better this time around. Wow, that is a nice bike. So you guys saw right there was not only my first ride on this bike, but it's also my first ride on a 2-stroke since probably like November. It's May. I feel instantly comfortable on this. And usually the 250 two-strokes, the two-strokes are either I feel perfect or I do not like it at all. Last year I didn't like it at all, but this year I really actually do like it. But this is my first bike, so I'm curious to see how the others go. So let's get onto those and let's see what those look like.